Hello again, homeschool friends. It's Judy from meaningfulhomeschooling.com, and I'm here today to share another of our family's favorite curriculums. And today we're talking about BookShark Science. And if you're new to BookShark Science, it is a literature-based science curriculum that kids will absolutely love. I have a few things here today I wanted to show you to get a better look at it. This is a page from the Instructor Guide with a simple week-at-a-glance plan with every book and every page number spelled out for you, as well as the activities that your student will be doing throughout the week. The second part of the program is the absolutely amazing science books that are included, from a Lift the Flap engineering book to a children's encyclopedia, and then a whole handful of other interesting children's science books like Magic School Bus and another Osborne book, and things that will spark your children's interest in science. Wonderful books. The third part is the science experiments, and kids love the hands-on part as well. This is a book that details all the science experiments with beautiful color pages and full instructions to complete each experiment. And finally, the activity kit is included with a box full of all the things that you'll need to complete those experiments with your children. It's easy to use, open and go, and your kids will love it. If you want to learn more, look down below. I have some links there for you so that you can find out more about BookShark Science.